Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a video doorbell. And for the one that we got right here, it comes with a sync module too. So if you guys want to use the option, you definitely can, but it's not required. And basically for the one that we got right here, it's from the brand called Blink. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me take off the wrapper first to give you guys a better point of view of the product. Alright, so once we take off the wrapper, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So you can see right here, they provide you guys some of the specs and features that's on here. So definitely give you guys the option to use it wired or wireless. And when you guys use the live view option on here, it definitely is high quality when you guys actually view the video. It doesn't matter if you guys use it at daytime or nighttime. I'm assuming they have like a night vision on here. It has a two-way audio on here as well. And they also mention how the product has a 2-year battery life on here. And that is only if you guys use it correctly. And basically for the product right here, it gives you guys the option to connect it onto Alexa as well, if you guys want to use that option. But right here, you can see we do have the actual product right here. And when you see on the side right here, they provide guys some more specs and features about the product as well. And they also explain to you what is the benefit of using like the Sync Module 2 device. And when you see on this side right here, they tell you guys what is actually included inside the package right here. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so once we take off that part right there, you guys can see this actually looks like inside right here. But let's take off this layer as well. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically actually looks like inside. So definitely get the video doorbell right here. And you guys get the sync module on this side right here. And basically on this side right here, they explain to you guys how to actually set up the product. Alright, so right here we do have the sync module if you guys want to use that option for a better experience. They do use a USB option right here to actually plug it in and recharge it. And there's also this option as well if you guys want to use that option. But basically, you can see right here, we do have the indicator light to show you guys when the product is on or working or not. And then right underneath that, you can see they provide you guys a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to set the product and also how to use it as well. And also in the bottom part as well, they provide you guys this accessory. So you probably use this to actually open up a certain part of the product. And next up right here, we do have the actual product. If you can see, this is basically what it actually looks like in the front part. If you turn to the back part right here, this is basically what the inside looks like. So if you guys do want to use the battery option, you do need to put the battery inside right here. And right here we do have the cover for you guys to put it onto the video doorbell once you guys put everything in, like the battery and etc. And then this is basically what the other side looks right here. So you definitely want to screw it in right here in the back if you guys need to mount it. And then right here in the very bottom, if you can see, there's a little box with a bunch of accessories. So let's take everything out first. Alright. So right here they do provide the wall charger, so definitely use that to actually charge the product. And then right here they provide guys 2 AA batteries that you can use for the video doorbell. But if you guys have your own one, then you don't have to use theirs. And right here you can see they provide guys the mounting accessory if you guys want to mount it onto the wall. Right here they provide guys the cable you guys want to plug in to actually charge the product. And then last but not least, they provide guys this accessory that you can use to mount it on the wall and tilt it at a certain angle if you guys want to. And that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. So basically for this accessory here, you guys want to use this to actually open up the cover for the video doorbell if you guys need to replace the battery or whatever. But first thing first, I'm actually download the app to show you guys how to actually pair together first. So the app you guys want to download is called Blink Home Monitor app. So you can probably scan like the QR code or you can search it on the Apple app. So this is basically what the app looks like right here. So you basically want to download this first. So while that's downloading, let me just set up the video doorbell first. So I basically want to put the batteries inside first. Alright, so we got it in. So I don't want to put it on covered yet until we fully set it up. But let's take off this part right here first. So once you guys finish downloading the app, they'll tell you guys to create an account. So I'm actually do that first. Alright, so we just finished setting up the account. What we're going to do now is actually connect it onto the device first. So basically I want to click on the Blink Video Doorbell because that's what we're adding on here. It'll tell you guys to scan the QR code in the back. So we gotta connect it, and it'll tell you guys to name the device. So I'll just name it Doorbell. And then once you guys do that, they'll tell you guys to actually connect the sync module as well. So I'm actually do that as well. So I basically want to take off the wrapper right here first. Alright, so let's connect it. So basically I want to plug in the bottom part right here. Alright, so we got connected. So basically I want to click on right here to add it. And tell you guys to scan the QR code in the back as well. And tell you guys to name this device. So I'll just call this the module. So you see how both light pops on right there. So basically connecting it onto the device now. And they'll tell you guys to connect it onto a Wi-Fi network. So you want to use a 2.4 network. So it's basically connecting onto the server right now. So it should be done any second now, since both lights stop blinking. And basically right now it's doing an update on the actual firmware right here. If you can see on this page. Alright, so we're all done. So once you guys set that up, you guys can set up the video doorbell as well. Alright, so we're setting up the doorbell now. If you see it tell you guys the step on what you guys need to do. So you guys want to follow all the steps on here first. And tell you guys to wait for the light to blink red. If you see right now they're blinking red. So basically connecting onto the app right here. So it might take a few minutes. Alright, so we got it done. It'll tell you guys how to mount it if you guys want to. But for right now, I'm not gonna actually mount it. I'm gonna show you guys how to connect it and how to use it. And basically when you guys first get the product, it does come with a free trial for cloud storage. If you guys need more storage, you definitely want to get the basic plan. And this is basically what the app looks like when you guys are done. It'll tell you guys how to use everything on here. So you see on the app right here, there's definitely a lot of stuff on here. So you can definitely record stuff, you guys can take photos, you guys can arm it or disarm it, and so much other stuff as well. But let's turn on the video on here to show you guys what the quality looks like. So basically on top right here. So I got my camera all set right here. Let me show you guys what the quality looks like on here. So you can see this is basically what the image quality looks like right here. I don't want to turn on the audio yet because there is some feedback on here. But you can see the image quality on here is definitely pretty high quality. It's not like super high quality compared to other cameras that I tested in the past, but it's definitely pretty high quality for what it is. We definitely have the option on here to take photos, or if you guys want to record stuff, or if you guys want to do two-way audio, you can definitely do that on here as well. And if you guys go to the setting option right here, you can see there's a lot of stuff for you guys to adjust on here if you guys want to. So you definitely enable like the motion detection, the different zones. So let's say if you guys want the camera to only look at this part right here and this part right here, it won't detect anything on this side right here, which is definitely pretty awesome. You guys can control like the sensitivity on here. It tells you guys the battery life on here. You have the option to control like the night vision on here. So whether you guys want it on, off, or auto, you guys can also control the IR as well. And then you guys can also control like the speaker, the ringer, and etc. And then for this part right here, if you guys notice, it doesn't give you any chime or anything. So if you guys want to use the chime option, you need to actually use the wired option. Or if you guys can't use the wired option, you can definitely use the wireless. And basically every time when someone clicks on the doorbell, you get the notification on your app. So if you guys don't have like the proper wiring option at your home, you can definitely get the chime on the actual app right here instead of using the wired option, which is definitely pretty awesome. And if you guys are curious about how to set everything up, they also show you guys right here. So basically just click on here to show you guys how to mount it and how to set it up if you guys want to use the wireless or the wired option. So that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me actually move it a little bit further away so that way I can give you guys that two-way audio option on here to let you guys hear what it actually sounds like. So I'll put this on the table right here and I'm gonna walk away so that way there's not as much of feedback. Hello, can you hear me?
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 Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing.
1, 2, 3, testing.
Alright, so here the audio on here is actually really clear. And then basically the way how you guys talk to the other person on here, you basically want to tap on this option right here. And once you guys go on this screen right here, you guys have the option in the bottom right here to click on the tap to talk option. And once you guys do that, you guys can talk to the other person on the other side. And you guys can hear where I'm talking right now. Basically the audio is actually coming from the actual video doorbell. But definitely for this part right here, you guys can see they do have a night vision option on here. Let me actually turn it back on to show you guys what night vision looks like. Alright. So once you guys turn on night vision, this is basically actually looks like right here. So you definitely see the night vision option on here definitely works really well. And you definitely see everything on here is actually really clear as well. So now that we test everything on here, last thing for us to test is the actual doorbell option right here. So I'll click it one time. So once you click it one time, you guys can hear the notification on here. And on the app right here, it shows you guys the notification as well. It tells you guys that someone is at your door. You can definitely see who is on there. So let me actually click it one more time to show you guys what it actually sounds like and what it actually looks like as well. So you see the notification on there. So that is how you guys know. So that is basically everything that's on right here in terms of how to set it up and how to use it. Like I mentioned earlier, if you guys are curious about how to install it or how to set it up onto the wall, you can definitely refer to the instruction manual that they have for you guys. But definitely when see from the test right here, when we actually test out the audio, the video quality, all the app options on here, the night vision and etc. Everything on here actually works really well. And definitely if you guys connect it onto the sync module, you definitely will have a better experience and a longer battery life as well. But now to go unboxing and testing about it, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this part right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially trying to look for a high quality video doorbell that give you guys all the different options on here that I mentioned earlier, such as the night vision, the Alexa option, the high quality video quality, the two-way audio, and so much more. Then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.